Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And at this point, what you're watching is me filling up a cup because I'm totally disgusted with what happened to this painting, and I'm just trying to save something out of it. I was doing a pearl pour, and it wasn't that bad, but I just didn't like the way it came, and then I started playing around, and I just made it worse and worse and worse. So now I'm going to save this with a flip cup, and what I'm doing is I'm stirring up some paints right now, and I'm just going to put that down. This is a gold, and I'm going to put underneath the paint, and I'm just going to pour a flip cup on top that you saw me fill up there. And that's what you're looking at right now. And I'll let you watch the rest in with music. Oops, sorry about that. I'm back, and yeah, I didn't use the overhead because I'm getting too many glares up there. I have to figure out a better way to do this. But this is my this is after about a half an hour, and I'm really happy with the way this came out. I had a few mishaps here today. One of them was really pretty, but I didn't like the way the composition was. It looked like a weird dinosaur to me, and I didn't like it. So I actually went right over it. I thought actually I was ready to tape it. I was ready to edit it, and then I couldn't do it. This is more for me. So and then I just went to wash out the bottles, and I took all the names off. So I don't have the names of the paints that I used here. So I'll apologize for that in advance. But I do like I like what I have here, and I hope you do too. I'll shorten this as much as I can because there was a lot of footage here. It took a while to get to this stage. This is Donna from Hollywood. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about this. Okay, Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Please wait for the close-up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.